In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate time in Google Sheets, specifically focusing on hours, minutes, and seconds, while also calculating time differences. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need is to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't already created one, go ahead and do that. Once your Google Sheet is open, you'll want to select a specific range of cells, particularly from C2 to D6. You can do this by clicking on cell C2, holding down your mouse button, and dragging down to D6. By doing this, you're selecting where you likely have columns for start and end times that you want to work with. Next, head over to the top menu and click on Format. This is crucial for ensuring your data is interpreted correctly by Google Sheets. After clicking Format, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select Number. You'll notice a variety of formatting options here, but what we are interested in is Time. Click on Time. This step sets the selected cells so that they can properly handle and display time values. Now let's move on to the main focus of the video, calculating the difference in time. Click on the cell E2. This is where we'll begin to carry out the calculations and display our results. Once again, go to Format in the top menu and select Number, but this time choose Duration. Duration will properly format the results of our calculations, showing you the difference in hours, minutes, and seconds. In cell E2, you'll need to enter a formula to compute the difference between two times. Type in the formula in D2C2 and hit the Enter key. This formula subtracts the start time in cell C2 from the end time in cell D2, giving you the duration or difference in time between those two values. With the formula entered and the calculation made, let's make this time calculation happen for the other rows as well. Click on cell E2 to highlight it. Then, use Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy that cell. Move to cell E3, click, and then drag down to E6 to select these cells. Now paste the formula you copied by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula to reflect the corresponding rows and calculate the time difference for all other sets of data in your sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Google Sheets to calculate time differences across multiple rows. Each cell in column E will now display the calculated difference in hours, minutes, and seconds for each set of start and end times in your sheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy calculating.